This is an address to Prime Minister Rishi Sunak and all the MPs who have been voted in by their constituents, parliamentarians who have a responsibility to represent Britons as best as possible. We, the British public, demand an immediate ceasefire in Gaza, where we are observing a violation of humanitarian rights as well as a violation of international law. By definition, what is occurring is a genocide. We are observing hospitals that are not given basic amenities. Fuel is not entering Gaza, due to which young children are dying in incubators, like in Ashifa hospital and many other hospitals where patients are dying. Thousands are stuck under the rubble, and yet up to date, over 12,000 people have died. Therefore, I address the conscience of Rishi Sunak and all the MPs. Leave the violent rhetoric, leave the violent dialectic, leave everything and think regarding from your conscience with regard to those children who are dying with false justification. How will you be remembered when you are no longer in office? How will you be remembered? Will you be remembered as the Prime Minister who has blood on his hands like Tony Blair? Or will you be remembered as the Prime Minister who called for a ceasefire and a humanitarian corridor? This policy of yours harms Britain. It harms Britain in the sense that each time you bomb innocent civilians, you create more extremists who then despise this nation also. Therefore, we as Britons call for an immediate ceasefire.